Hour by hour forecast, isolated rain possible. We could see a couple of those showers make their way onshore later on this evening, so I'll keep that slight chance in the forecast, but not a whole lot of them. Tonight's forecast down into the mid to upper 70s. It will be warm and very, very muggy out there once again. A lot of the action on the west coast, and we're going to continue this weather pattern for a little while here going into even next week, where the majority of the rain will be in the interior and the west coast here with our deep easterly flow filling on in. Watch Vipercast. Here we do have a couple of showers that do push their way in the overnight hours, so that's why I've kept it in the forecast. The morning too, chance of showers along the coast, and that all pushes inland in the afternoon. Not a whole lot of rain tomorrow, so rain chances aren't all that high, especially along the coast. The highest rain chances inland and back towards the lake and the west coast. And then by Friday evening, if you have those Friday evening plans, looking just fine. Rain chances, not a whole lot on Friday. Bump it maybe up a little bit on Saturday. We'll bump it up even more mid next week with scattered showers and storms expected. Looking in the tropics, not a whole lot going on right now. A couple tropical waves way out there, just real disorganized right here along the intertropical convergence zone, but not a whole lot going on at the moment. Nice boating weather tomorrow, sees only a couple of feet. East-southeast wind 5 to 10. That wind may pick up a little bit going into next week. Isolated morning coastal shower. Otherwise, the beach looks fantastic. Water temperatures are into the middle 80s, although some locations on the Treasure Coast getting a little cooler. 7-day forecast, high temperatures generally in the low 90s, so a degree or two above the average for this time of year. Rain chances about what they should be, although the majority of it, again, will be pushed back towards the lake and the west coast, so not a whole lot for the metro areas on the east coast. Pick up the wind a little bit on Tuesday. That should help with the temperatures too, keeping them around average for this time of year.